Go to geek4me.com, the easy way to find trusted local tech repair experts near you. Geek4me.com, fast, local and reliable. This is the FSP VITA GM1000 watt power supply. It's a fully modular ATX 3.1 unit that delivers up to 1000 watts and is available in either white or black. It comes with a native PCIe 5.1 compatible 12 volt 2x6 connector and includes both 80 plus gold and Cybenetics platinum efficiency ratings, offering over 90% efficiency at typical loads. Inside, it uses 105-degree rated Japanese bulk capacitors, a 120mm hydraulic bearing fan, and multiple safety protections including over voltage, over current, over power, over temperature, short circuit and under voltage protection. Its compact size, which is around 140 by 150 by 86mm, makes it easier to fit into tight ATX cases, and it comes with a 10-year warranty. You may not know who FSP are, but they've been around since 1993 and even worked with Intel to develop the ATX power supply standard. Over the years, they've manufactured units for a lot of well-known brands, so even if you haven't heard their name, there's a good chance you've used one of their designs before. The VITA GM1000 watt keeps things simple. The fan is a 120mm model, visible through cutouts in the casing, with no separate grille, giving it a minimal functional look. The sides have subtle branding, the underside features a full spec label, and the rear has standard power socket, rocker switch and ventilation for exhaust airflow. On the modular side, all connections are clearly labelled and the socket feels secure when cables are clipped in. Speaking of cables, most are flat black, ranging from 60cm to just over 95cm in length, with the exception of the 12 volt 2x6 lead, which comes in a protective shroud. The box shows a clear image of the PSU, its model name, wattage and key features like the 10-year warranty, ATX 3.1 support and the PCIe 12 volt 2x6 connector and efficiency ratings. The back and sides of the box show exactly which cables are included, though cable lengths aren't listed, but this can be found on the website using the QR code on the box. In testing, the power supply ran quietly. We found that you could not hear it over the rest of our test system, even when it was running at 75% load. Airflow tests showed it was drawing in fresh air effectively. We ran over 100 power on-off cycles without issue and left it running for 48 hours straight. Voltages stayed stable throughout. In short, the FSP VITA GM1000 watt is a straightforward, compact and well-featured power supply from a brand with a long history in the industry, often behind the scenes in units you may already have used. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.